everyone. We are back and we are here with Ginger and she is going to show us some amazing stuff here.
Hi, everyone. I'm so excited. So you guys are at the Shannon Fabrics booth and we gave some samples. So you guys might be seeing some fun things coming into the store.
Hi, we've got samples.
So you can see some cute projects that you can make with those fabrics. So we can't wait to see what you guys are going to create.
Oh, yes. We're definitely going to be creating something together on the live. So stay tuned on this one. It's going to be so exciting. And just show us some more. We've just got so many things.
Look at these gorgeous fabrics. Aren't they so fun?
Guys, if you can feel this. It is so soft. You can sit here and just pet it all day long. It's so soft, so amazing. I love this.
I know. I wish we could all just reach through and touch it because it feels so silky.
It feels so good. And what a great way to make baby projects. Oh my God, my mind is exploding.
Right.
There's so many things you can make with this. So beautiful. I really, really love it.
Yep.
Little zipper pouch. I love the ruffle here on the top.
So sweet.
That's so adorable.
Coin pouches.
We've got a little coin pouch. Look at this, guys. So adorable.
You can do machine embroidery, sewing. I mean, that's what a real trade show's like right there. You get to see the bubble wrap. But the fun stuff, real print in the inside. I mean, so many fun things you can do with Shannon Fabrics outside of just blankets.
Definitely. This is amazing. And you've got a whole range of different colors and selections that you can pick from. Really, really amazing. So, so soft. Can't wait to make it. You guys just stay tuned because we're definitely going to be making this one as soon as I get back. So, Shannon Fabrics, don't forget to check them out.
Okay, bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.